Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial we will create a moving platform for our platformer game. Let's start. So, when you open Unreal Engine, you should see a level that we created in the past video. Let's see what we created first. We can play it and we will see that we have a character that can move left and right, jump, also double jump. We have the camera positioned from the side of the player and is not movable with the mouse. Now, for this tutorial, first we'll need to go into the content drawer. Let's create another folder that we will call blueprints. Let's create a blueprint class that will derive from the actor class right here. We'll name it BP underscore moving platform. Let's open it. When we open it, we should see something like this, basically nothing. So first we need to add a mesh or a 3D object that will represent our platform. So let's click add, let's add the mesh, and let's just name it mesh. Compile it, save it, and let's put some object. For my game, cube will work just fine. Just I need to scale it a little bit. For example, I will make it a little bit thinner, but wider on the sides. Here. I will just give a material, for example, let's use this X-ray material. Now, the most important part from this tutorial is that we need to add a component called interp to movement. Here, compile it, save it, and leave the name as is. So, in the details panel, we will work with the sections right here, the control drop-down section and the behavior. First, in the behavior section right here, let's go into the behavior type. You see one shot right here on the drop-down. Let's select it and we need to put it to ping pong mode right here. What this does is it will make the platform move from one point to another and back. What are the points? The points we can add are right here, control points, but we won't add it actually here. We will create a little script later. The duration here is actually the duration in which the platform will move from one point to another and back. So first, let's compile it, save it, and let's go into the construction script. We will drag and drop interp to movement here. From this, we will add control point position. Connect these two nodes, and we don't need to do anything else with these nodes right here. Just duplicate it with Control and D. Connect these nodes too, and on the second add control point position node, we will go into the position, right click, promote to variable. Now this variable, we will let the name be position right here. We don't need to change it, but we need to change some things here. First, compile it, save it. In the instance editable, let's select this, then select show 3D widget. Compile it and save it. Let's see what we have created here. So let's go into the third person map and let's add our platform. I will just put it a little bit up. When we play it, you should see the platform not moving at all. Why? Because we haven't set the point positions that we'll use. So here you see a 3D object that we need to select, and let's move it a little bit to the side. Now, this is our second point position. What is the first? The first point position is actually the spawn point of the platform. So now, because we move this, when we play it, the platform should move left to right. We can jump on it and we'll move with the platform. But if you think the platform is moving too fast, you can change it really quick. You can select the platform. Let's go into the interp to movement under the details panel. Let's set the duration, for example, to 1.5 seconds. So now, when you play it, you should see the platform moving slower from the last time. If you wonder, you can play around with this and you can, for example, put the position point like right here, and when you play it, the platform will move from that point and back. You see? But this will break the game because we can only move left and right. So we actually don't want to do this. Let's back the position. If you wonder how I did this, you can click Ctrl and Z, and this is actually an undo function in Unreal Engine. Let's try it, and let's put a little bit like a challenge here next to this platform. Let's just duplicate this platform and move it a little bit to the left. You see the position right here, and we save it, play it, and you should see the platform moving. But I want it to be a little bit bigger of a challenge, and actually we can test this, so I will put the distance even further. And we will select the platform, let's select this object, move it left, and let's put it to right here, for example. But when we play it, the platform is moving really fast. So let's make it slower. We'll select the platform, go interrupt to movement, and let's put the duration, for example, to 3 seconds. Play it, and you see now the platform is moving slower. Let's get up to this platform first. Now, when the platform will come, I will just jump on the platform and let's move with it. See, now we got to this platform. If you wonder, no, we cannot jump actually from this platform to this. So this is actually a really good platform that we can use for our mechanics in our platformer games. Thanks for watching, see you in the next.